Thank you once again, Tokwe Sachs. You may please be seated. Right now, I'll just do a quick recognition of some of our guests who are here and some of the guests who will be joining us virtually. And I would invite our chief host to recognize the chairperson of the day. But before then, let me quickly recognize some of our guests. Today with us, we have Chairperson, Nigeria National Advisory Board for Impact Investing, NABI, in person of Mrs. Ibukun Awoshika. A round of applause for her, please. We also have the Acting Head of Cooperation of the European Union, Mr. Ruben Alba Aguilera. A round of applause for him. Representing Mr. Mohamed Yahya, the Resident Representative, UNDP Nigeria, will be the Program Specialist, Acting Head of Strategic Policy, the Strategic Policy Unit, UNDP, Claire Henshaw. Also joining us today is the immediate past Minister of State, Budget and National Planning, Prince Clem I. Agba. Right after that, we're going to have a fireside chat after the introduction of our guests and their welcome address, and we'll have some of our guests from that session. But before then, we also have the Minister of Budget and Economic Planning here with us, Senator Abubakar Atiku Bagudu, CON. At the fireside chat, we'll have the Right Honorable Nick Hod, Chair, the Global Steering Group for Impact Investment. Ladies and gentlemen, please let's make him welcome. And joining us virtually, His Excellency Sanusi Lamido Sanusi, former Governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria. There are quite a number of other guests that I will recognize as we move on, but for now, I want us to move quickly to our speeches for today, which will launch us into the mood or set the tone for this program and that of tomorrow. But to introduce the first speaker for today, let me make welcome Ms. Etemore Glover to introduce the chairperson officially.